Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am June Penny, and in today's video I'm going to show you how it's possible to use a full topper to put your hair up, completely up. Nice for a wedding. You could dress it down with jeans and a t-shirt, maybe some boots, some flip-flops. It is possible, so if you're interested, just keep watching. I will have the links down below where you can purchase this topper. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the end of the video. Okay, so here's the topper. It's 110 density, so light. It's a 6x6 and it has 4 clips. It's so easy to install. It's ridiculous and it's really so light. So I'm gonna show you how I just put that in my hair, just like that. Clip it in. Now, if you want to see the unboxing review that I did for this topper, I will have the card right here on the left-hand side up there, or you can see it in the description box down below. Okay, so now I'm going to put it up, and take your time with it, you guys. Just pull some pieces up, and you can either put it in like a scrunchie, or you could put a clip in it. Just take your time with it. I'm kind of experienced at this, so it takes me really literally under a minute to really achieve this look. So look, I'm just putting it up, and once it's up, start pulling pieces down, start rearranging it a little bit. Do what you have to do to make it look so beautiful. And if you want to buy this piece, you can use my code. I'll have it down below. Use the code, and yeah. So right now I'm going to take my hair fill-in powder, and I'm just going to fill in a little bit in the front. You can use eyeshadow. You can basically use anything really, and just do it. Just tap away and do it, and until it looks filled in, because it honestly looks like it's coming from your scalp. That's it. And this is the look, you guys. Okay, so as you can tell in the video, you have to tweak it up a little bit. You can't just put it on and put it up. There might be something you have to do with the part. You might have to use the eyeshadow, whatever you need to do, but literally this took me a few minutes to achieve this look. And if you saw me in the street, you would not know that the whole top of my head was bald. So these are simple ways to just make our lives a little bit easier, a little less frustrating when we're dealing with hair loss. I think it's very important, and I really feel that the low density human hair topper is the way to go, because it is so light. It doesn't look wiggy at all, and you just really can't tell. And I think that's what we all want to achieve. A look that, you know what I'm saying? A look that doesn't look so fake. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then just press the bell notification. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.